Hello, once again, my name is Enoc Garcia and I am the founder of Honest Accounting Group, a QuickBooks consulting and bookkeeping firm. And today we're discussing how to pay a bill. Okay, today I'm going to start a little bit backwards. We're going to go to reports instead of the actual pay bills module. And the reason is because I want us to see the bills that we're going to pay. Okay. If you saw my how to enter a bill into QuickBooks Online video, you'll remember that we created this bill. Okay, so now let's go to the star up here, or the cross, the check, the X, and hit pay bills under vendors. And okay, so here we have the bill that we're going to pay. How are we going to pay it? Here we can choose what payment account: checking, savings, MasterCard, or Visa. I can't pay with MasterCard because we only have 157 available and the bill is 250. Can use Visa because that's 0. So let's do checking. Today's date, check number 73. Is that correct? That would be up to you. Have you printed a check before? If you have, the order will continue. The check numbers order will continue. Otherwise, you can manually edit that. We can edit to check 100 and so on. Okay, now let's pick what bill we're going to pay. Here's the name, the bill number, the due date. Yes, it's due a month from now, but nonetheless, we're going to pay it today. The open balance is 250 and the payment amount is 250. Can I modify this? Yes, I can pay only $100 if that's what I want. In this case, I'm going to do the full 250. Okay, at the bottom here we have a few options. Save and print. It'll save the bill payment and you can print the check, or save and close. I'm going to hit save and close. One bill is marked as paid. The Cal telephone bill that we had here previously is no longer here because it is now paid. Let's run the report just to refresh it. It's no longer here. Beautiful. Another thing we can do is go to reports, profit and loss, and if I highlight, okay, I'm going to use only today. Run report, we see that the telephone bill was paid. Bill, there we go. We do cash. Still paid because we paid it already. Wonderful. My name is Enoc Garcia from Honest Accounting Group. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you know somebody that needs it, please feel free to share this video with them. Once again, Enoc Garcia from Honest Accounting Group. Thank you.